Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power on the Echo and make sure it's on the same network and in range. On your phone, flip Bluetooth on and keep the screen awake so connections don't time out. This prevents interruptions. Open the Alexa app, tap Devices, then Echo and Alexa, and pick your Echo. Once selected, choose Bluetooth devices and tap Pair a new device. This initiates discovery on both ends and lets your phone and Echo find each other immediately. Once you've tapped Pair a new device in the Alexa app, pick your phone from the displayed list. This triggers a pairing request to the phone. When your phone shows a confirmation dialog, accept it. Sometimes a code appears, so make sure the numbers match before approving. After you confirm, listen for Alexa's announcement that Bluetooth is connected. Make sure to pause any other active audio apps first. Once connected, your Echo becomes the phone's audio output automatically. Now play music or podcasts from your phone. Audio should stream through the Echo. Adjust volume either on the phone or by saying, "Alexa, volume up." To disconnect, say, "Alexa, disconnect," or repair in the Alexa app when needed. If pairing fails, restart the Echo and your phone, then forget the Echo in phone Bluetooth settings and try pairing again. This clears stale profiles and usually fixes issues, because restarting resets Bluetooth radios and forces a fresh discovery and secure handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.